So today we're taking a look back at some of my older videos, and I wanted to give you a little update on them. This one was 3 mods that were under $29.99, and I'll be going over the first upgrade now. So this one is the Steadfast antenna. It's a 13-inch antenna, and I switched it out because it gave it a cleaner look and it actually performs really well. Now, I don't really mind this one. You do lose a little bit of the reception when you get too far out the city, but I live in Miami, and the city, I pick up everything pretty fine. When I was in San Antonio, I picked up everything perfectly fine. It looks good and it definitely performs well. You can pick this up on Amazon. I'll have a link to all 3 of these mods down below. But yeah, you can take a look at, that's the factory, and this is what the aftermarket looks like. I definitely don't like the factory look, so if you guys are looking to make your truck look a little bit cleaner, this is the mod for you. At number 2, we have these reverse lights, and these things are pretty amazing. Now, these are the JDM All-Star reverse lights, and this is what they look like here, and I'll show you what it looks at nighttime. I've had these on for about 3 years now, and they are still working, no issues at all. So 3 years, $24.99, and just look at the difference. Like, I want you to look at what it looks like when you are reversing. These give you enough lighting, and I definitely love how my reverse camera looks once these bad boys were put in. You can just see everything behind you, so you never really have to worry about running into anything when you are backing up. I definitely recommend these, and for $24.99 for 3 years, it's actually really good. The third upgrade are going to be the license plate lights, and if you're going to start changing out your lights like I did with the white light, the clear bright LED, this is an easy upgrade, plug and play, only $12 on Amazon. And what's great about these is, like I said, plug and play, just like all 3 mods you see here, and it definitely stands out at night. Some people like to have the dim ones, but I personally like this bright light. It just makes your truck stand out in the back. So if you guys are looking for 3 mods that are under $24.99, this is it for you. These are small mods. They definitely make subtle little changes that not only make your truck look good, but they also perform well. But thank you guys again for watching, and until the next one, I'll see you guys around.